take a note on that. Now we are starting our webinar finally. And yes, we are good to go. And Aryan, so
Yes.
we are here. Thank you very much, all the participants to be here. Despite of Sunday, you all are here to show your love and support and to motivate my student Aryan Shah. So thank you so much, all of you, to be here. And I have no any other words, but I can simply say that thank you very much. So thank you so much. And today we are going to learn and get knowledge more on investment strategy for smart teenagers. And do you know that share some secret also. Even I am learning something from Aryan regarding that as far as the investment concern. So being a adult also, being a parent also, there are some points here in Aryan's webinar and presentation that we also feel wonder to learn. So, and I'm really feeling proud to be a student of Aryan Shah and other students. It is my pleasure, and I'm really thankful to God and universe to have such a student like Aryan and other students. So it is really a proud moment for me to present Aryan Shah. And Aryan, now
Yes.
the particular journey is into your hand, and you will be my co-host. And I will I have that command of that presentation part and poll part. And other than Aryan, it all the thing it's on your hand. Okay, so
Yes.
and I also like to request all the participants that we have some kind of polls in our webinar. So I encourage and I really appreciate your participation in each and every poll to support and to motivate Aryan. And there is a surprise thing at the end of the webinar where and which Aryan will going to share that knowledge is not only power. There is a saying that knowledge is a power, but implementation is of the knowledge is a power. So having a knowledge is a half cup, but implementation of the knowledge is the full cup kind of thing. So Aryan will share a secret at the end of this webinar to complete your knowledge and implement your knowledge. So Aryan, are you ready?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
Are you confident?
Yes.
No, we cannot see that. Aryan, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good to go. So Aryan, now it's all in your hand. Please go ahead.
Yes. Thank you. Namaste, good afternoon, and welcome, my dear friends and respected parents, to this webinar. I am Aryan Shah. I study in the 10th standard. This webinar is basically developed on the concept that we will be discussing during the course of this afternoon session. I thank everyone for taking the time out of the Sunday schedule to understand the investment strategies for smart teenagers. Today, I have a great opportunity to deliberate my idea about teenagers' investments. So, now, all my fellow teenagers and parents, be ready and fasten your seatbelt for the upcoming investment strategies. And I would like for you to answer a poll that will be coming up on your screen now. So uh, the poll is going to be on how much pocket money do you get per month. So the options are up to 500, between
Yes.
500 to 1000 to 2000, and more than 2000.
So yes, Aryan, I really thanks to all participants. We are getting a very quick response from all the participants, and results are also very amazing kind of thing. So we can wait for a few more seconds, and after that I am going to end this poll. Thank you so much all the participants for your lovely support and to take a participation in this poll. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I am going to end this poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So Aryan, result is amazing. So I'm going to share results on the screen.
So according to the results, 45% of the audience is getting up to 500 rupees. 24% of the audience is getting between 500 to 1000 rupees. 15% of the audience is getting between 1000 to 2000 rupees. And another 15% of the audience is getting more than 2000 rupees. And if you have a lot of rupees, a lot of money, then I think you should do savings and investments. So first of all, for doing savings, one needs to do investments. Sorry, for doing investments, one needs to do savings. So now let's start with savings. So what is savings? According to me, savings is the portion of income that is not spent on current expenditures. And for you, my fellow teenagers, it is the portion of pocket money that is not spent and that is still left. And as you all know, in India, our ancestors have always taught us to save money for more tougher and difficult times. And saving is said to be the path of success, as it can be also used to create more money by the way of investment. That is why it is said, a penny saved is a penny earned, because you start earning more with your savings. As you all know, we teens get our pocket money. And in India, we also have a tradition to get money on the days of festivals such as Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and other occasions such as pujas. So the chances of saving are also more. And now I would like you to answer the second poll, which will be coming up on your screen.
And that is monthly money spending. Am I right? Aryan?
Yes, yes.
So on the screen now, that how much money do you spend on fast food, online shopping, online game purchase, or any extra, including pani puri, pizza, or purchasing toys, or vada pav, anything. So uh, really very quick response from our audience. Thank you so much, audience, especially for teenager students and their parents, to participate in our poll, actively participating in our poll. I really appreciate that. So now I'm going to end the poll very quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So results are here on the screen.
So, according to the audience, up to 54% spend up to 500 rupees. 24% of the audience spends 500 to 1000 rupees, and 24% of the audience spends more than 1000 rupees. So, if you are spending less, like 54% spend up to 500 rupees, then you would think that where can you save the money? So another question that comes to mind is, where can one save? So a place to save the money is in a piggy bank. There is no interest gain in this form of savings. Therefore, the piggy banks are also said to be non-productive. And another way a person can save is by opening a savings account in a bank and keeping the money in it. Every year, the money will rise a fixed percentage, and it is the bank giving interest. And currently, most banks pay around 4% a year. Now, I would like you all to answer one more poll, that as a teenager, do you have a bank account?
So wonderful question that Aryan, it is really thing that teenagers can open an account. I would like to know more on that. And results are really surprising. मुझे लगता था उससे टोटली थोड़ा रिवर्स रिस्पॉन्सेस मिल रहा है, बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट मोर एंड मोर पार्टिसिपेट्स are taking participation in our poll. So I really appreciate all the people and all the guests who came here, and special thanks to teenagers. So do you have a bank account as a teenager? No and yes. I'm going to end this poll now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So result screen.
And the results are up. So 31% of the audience does not have a bank account, and 69% of the audience has a bank account. So I would like to suggest the 31% who don't have a bank account to open a bank account, because then you would save more, and if you want to make your money more productive, then you can convert your savings into investment. So now you might be thinking, what is investment? So investment is an asset or an item acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. And to say in an economic sense, investment is a purchase of goods that are not consumed today but are used in the future to create wealth. So to put it in simpler terms, investment is the action of putting money to work or to purchase an asset with the goal to generate income and gain increased value over time. So I had a friend who came to me asking that how can he earn money, as in a country like India, a person under the child of 18 cannot legally have a job. So just like my friend, there are 44 crore Indians under the age of 18, and it makes 38% of the total population of India who don't have a smart option to convert their savings into investments. The only way was to make his savings more productive. So I gave him the idea of investing his savings, but the children don't have an option to invest their saving. So I came up with an idea which I'll be sharing at the end of the present, at the end of this presentation, as my mentor told that it is a surprise.
Yes, Aryan, that's a really good thing. And I really wonder that. Can you please share that again? I feel that it is a really a wonderful information. Even people may not aware about that. That percentage part of that. I think 44 percentage of the Indian.
There are 44 crore Indians under the age of 18,
Uh-huh.
and that makes 38% of India's population.
Oh wow, that's a good thing. Yes, yes.
And now there will be another poll coming up on your screen. It is about like, do you want to have short-term investment goals?
Yes, on the screen now. Do you have short-term financial? No, yes, or some of the students may not aware about that financial goal or short-term goal or goal. So I don't know about it. So मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहता हूँ मेरे सभी स्टूडेंट्स मित्रों को, टीनेजर स्टूडेंट्स मित्रों को और उनके पेरेंट्स को कि शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स का मतलब होता है कि यू नो डेट विद इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, maybe a 1 year, 2 year, or less than 5 year. I can say that according to me. And for example, अगर मुझे कोई नया मोबाइल लेना है या लैपटॉप लेना है तो उसके लिए मैं अभी से फाइनेंशियल गोल रखूंगा कि मुझे ये तारीख, ये पर्टिकुलर डेज में, मंथ में या ईयर में मुझे मोबाइल लेना है और उसके लिए मैं सेविंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट करना अभी से शुरू करूंगा. दैट इज अ फाइनेंशियल गोल. So thank you so much all the participants for participating in polls, and I'm going to end this poll now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So
So now I would, the results are that 48% want to have a financial goal and 20% don't want. And I would like to suggest that if you want, that you should have a short-term financial goal, because it would help you to work more to accomplish your goal also. And my friend asked me that as teenagers, how can I invest? So the best ways a teenager would be able to invest is through commodities, stocks, bonds, gold, mutual funds, and ETFs, exchange traded funds. So, what is a commodity? Commodity is a basic good that is used in commerce and that is interchangeable with other goods of the same types. The basic examples of commodities are grains, gold, oil, natural gas. The price of commodities tend to move in the opposite direction to stocks, which means that when the price of the commodities rises, the price of the stocks decrease, and vice versa. Now you might be thinking, what is stocks? So stocks is a general term used to describe the ownership of any company, and a share. So share refers to the stock certificate of a particular company. And you might have all heard you might have heard the term shareholder. So shareholder is a person who has who holds company shares. Another way to invest is by buying bonds. So bond is a loan to a company or government that pays back a fixed rate of return, and it is said to be safer than investing in stocks. So now I'll be explaining investment in gold, mutual funds, and ETFs in more detail. So gold. Gold is said to be one of the most safe and rewardable options, as it can also hedge the risk by invest as you can hedge your risk by investing in gold. As you might have all heard that gold is said to be safe haven. As in the last year, the returns of gold have been more than 50%. And now, right now, due to the worldwide pandemic, the gold is one of the best places you could invest. And throughout history, gold has um, been known as the most special and valuable commodity. Now, mutual funds. So, mutual funds is said to be a pool of many investors' money, and it is invested in a number of companies. So mutual funds carry many of the same risks as stocks and bonds, but the risk is lesser though because the investments are diversified. So there are three main types of investment: mutual funds, sorry, my bad, equity funds, hybrid funds, and debt funds. So you might be wondering, what is equity funds? Equity fund is a mutual fund that invests principally in stocks. So they are also known as stock funds, and the risks are highest in equity funds, but even the returns are high. Next, hybrid fund. So hybrid fund is a mixture of two or more asset classes. One of the best examples I can give for hybrid fund is balance fund. It holds 60% stocks and 40% of bonds. And the risks are not so high. They are lower than equity funds, but they are moderates, like they are still higher than debt funds. Then debt funds. So debt funds are mutual funds that invest in fixed income securities. One of the best examples of debt funds is liquid funds. Liquid funds are the debt funds that lend to companies for a period of up to 91 days. They are one of the safest funds among the mutual fund categories because their owing period is extremely low. Now, I would like to talk about exchange traded funds, ETFs. So they are similar to mutual funds, but they are bought and sold on the stock market, and their price fluctuates throughout the day, whereas the mutual fund's value is simply the net value of your investments you do. So now I would like you to answer one more poll. So now do you think of starting to invest soon?
So polls are here. And do you want to start investment soon as a teenager? No and yes. We are getting a good response. So I would like to encourage all the teenagers, please participate in this poll because this webinar is specifically designed for you for the teenagers by the teenager student, that is Aryan Shah. So thank you so much for your response, Aryan. I'm sure you will feel amazed after seeing this result. So I'm going to end this poll now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And results are on the screen.
And according to the poll, 93% would like to start investing soon. And I would like to say to the 8% who still don't want to start investing, that investing is one of the best options you could use your money in. And now you might be thinking, how can you start investing? So I would like to give you my own story that each month I had around 500 rupees left from my pocket money. And as a minor, I had no other option to invest anywhere. And the money would be used elsewhere in unneeded things. So then I decided, I'm sorry, I forgot to explain this graph. So this is a return on various asset classes over the last 5 years. So it shows the returns of each of the investment methods. So equity funds, it has returns of 4.5% on average over the last 5 years. Then debt funds, they have returns of 8.25% in the last 5 years. Then, as I said, gold is one of the best ways you could invest, as even the returns is the highest among all of 13%. Then bank FDs, so fixed deposits, they have returns of 7.25%, and BSE Sensex, that is the stock market, has returns of around 5%. So now, how can you start investing? So I thought of an idea to make a platform for the children between 10 to 18. So it is an investment app that helps in investing small amounts of money from teenagers' pocket money. The application will help the children to learn how to invest in their future and how to utilize the spare money. It is better for them to invest because there is a chance of earning more money. Whereas if they store the money in their piggy banks, then each year the purchase power of the money depreciates due to inflation. And now I would like you to answer the sixth poll. It is about the investment options.
Yes,
Like, do you want the most easiest investment option?
as a teenager. As a teenager, do you want most easiest way of investment option कि आपको जहां पर यानी कि आपको इंफॉर्मेशन एज ए टीनेजर स्टूडेंट आपको इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिल जाए, आपको नॉलेज भी मिल जाए एंड आप इजीली इन्वेस्ट भी कर पाओ क्योंकि यू नो दैट पेरेंट्स को तो पता है वेयर टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, व्हाई टू इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड हाउ टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. But being a child or being a student, you may not aware about that. So do you think that one of that easiest mode should be there? So yes, we are getting wonderful response, Aryan. And Aryan, I would like to say that I love your smile. So yes, we are going to end this poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So results are here. Wonderful.
Thank you for your responses. So 80% want to find the most easiest way to invest. So I would like to say I thought of making an application that would help make your life easier by helping you invest. And in this application, you would also get to learn new things about investment and savings. So the application is going to have three different selections the teens can choose from. The first is investing in debt fund. So you can pay a specific amount of money each month and you will earn the interest on the money invested. The second choice is investing in Nifty Bees. So I would say that personally that Nifty Bees is one of the best ways to invest for long term, as once you invest money each month and even if there is volatility in the market, then you are going to get a good average price for long run. And if you don't know what volatility means, is the reactivity of the market. So if the market is highly volatile, then the fluctuation of prices is high. And if it is not that volatile, then the prices don't fluctuate that much. And
So that means that students, teenagers के लिए अगर easy words में अगर हम उनको समझाना चाहे तो volatility का मतलब होता है कि ऊपर नीचे प्राइस होना, यानी कि डाउन भी हो सकता है, बॉटम भी हो सकता है और हाई भी हो सकता है. So your investment proposal should be like that कि आपको रिस्क यानी कि जोखिम कम हो और रिटर्न आपको मिले. So it is like right, Aryan?
yes,
Yes, perfect.
yes. And the third option is gold exchange traded fund, gold ETF. So in this form of traded fund, there is no need to gain physical gold. When you buy the ETF, you get virtual gold, and it is the same price as the real gold, and you would not need to go to the jewelry store to buy and sell this kind of gold. You can buy and sell at the click through our app. And I'm really happy to say that we very soon we are going to launch our app, and if everything goes to plan, then everyone will be able to invest through the app very soon. All the teenagers will be able to invest. And to end, I would like to say it is not your savings that makes you rich, it is your investment habits. And I'm making a YouTube channel, and every month I am going to record few videos and upload. So please watch, and the videos are going to be on investment habits, and the link of the channel is in the chat box if you would like to go and subscribe right now, please.
Yes, so Aryan, why not? I would like to encourage all the participants here to kindly take a break and we will wait for another 1 minute or 2 minutes. Please subscribe right now because Aryan is going to share on about that knowledge and types of investment, what is investment, what is saving, and how you can start as a teenager, how you can start investment and where you supposed to invest. So whatever question in your mind related to investment as a teenager, all the answer you can get in this YouTube channel very soon. I request all the people, please subscribe this channel. And yes, and we will wait for a few minutes, a few seconds more. And yes, and Aryan has also surprised that he is not only going to share related to investment, but all the information and knowledge which he is possessing, he will share that information and knowledge to the students. So this particular channel is for students and students' parents also. So I would recommend that please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And in future, you can share that videos and this channel to any smart student, any teenagers in the future. So thank you so much.